All right, so we just have discovered that there is a car
Man, that's a nice garage.
We got a
in the garage. I got my gym shoes on with a little heel toe out here to celebrate. You zooming in?
okay, Vanna White.
Go on the porch.
I thought you was gonna have a
So this is the neighborhood. Pretty decent. Oh, we about to get
Oh, we got mask, don't we? No?
no.
I'm thinking all of mama.
I was thinking like shit, ain't no people in there, but you talking about like asbestos and things like that.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be clean out.
Oh really?
You wanna go down first?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared as hell.
Hello?
No, ain't no person in here. Mom, it's not a person in here. It's probably like a raccoon or something.
Oh, this is a big, nice basement.
Oh, y'all going down there, huh?
Damn, that goes somebody IV.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice ass shovel. Like I said,
Oh,
whatever's
this
in
gonna be
it.
easy here.
Look, oh hell, fuck yeah. Whatever's in it, yours. You know what they said.
All we gotta do
It's
is replace
all
that. I think that's
trash.
Oh, that's the old.
Well, that's cool, but it don't look like some of the, you know, like it could look.
Yeah, what I was
Can't
expecting,
even
honestly.
see the goddamn flow. Yeah, this is a whole lot better than.
Oh, this gonna be easy.
That look like my daddy.
My girl was gonna say it, but I wasn't gonna say it.
You know he's so irresponsible.
Willie.
His name is Willie.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared
Oh,
for.
it's a nice shovel.
I'm scared for Willie.
Use that to clean out. You got some built-ins right here. That's nice.
That's coming down probably. Lord.
The built-in? That's nice.
You gonna keep that in?
I don't know. I ain't even walking down there.
Okay.
This
yeah,
is the
that's a
nitty
nice clean
gritty.
Next. No
Got a,
problem basement.
Got somebody's broken old Android phone.
See,
doesn't hurt track.
now I would
Yes.
so keep this and do it later.
No.
I would do it later. Well, maybe.
What's a later for somebody new? Somebody new gotta get in here.
Oh shit! Oh no, babe, these counters can be scrubbed up and painted. You know.
Look at how solid this wood is.
No, babe, these counters.
The top
are
gotta come off,
Yeah,
though.
the top gotta
At
come
the
off.
top, but the counter.
Oh yeah.
Clean nobody's counter. I like
Oh
that.
yeah.
That
Ooh yeah. Okay, this gonna be this gonna be an easy flip. I need some light though. I can't see
Where your phone at?
right here.
Oh, it ain't no trash in here.
Do you got it on auto?
But you really looking at it.
Yeah.
Cause it's gonna be dark if you don't got it on auto.
Yeah, it's on auto. So the kitchen has the cabinets that honestly can be painted and brought back to life.
Oh, that's about to be easy. The hardest part is outside.
It's a lot of trash. A lot of trash.
It's already demoed almost. Thank you. Demo this out, replace. That's easy.
Oh, and we don't even need no really big dumpster. You think?
Yes, we do. Cause all outside everything.
Oh yeah, the outside. I forgot about the outside.
They put a dumper.
Got some Miller Lite. Somebody was in here getting their drink on.
Yeah. I think this roof was just done like.
You think what?
I think it was redone.
No, babe, it was. The lady, yeah, the lady.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, the lady across the street.
Come in this one real quick. This is an easy flip.
I can't get past. It's a hole down to the floor though. Oh no, that might be just for the tub. Got they furniture.
Oh, this is an easy flip. Oh my god.
Couch over there.
Don't worry. All we gotta do is really play for the what's gonna kill us is not gonna kill us, just the windows. And that's not gonna kill us. We can get these standard windows.
Right, like they special.
Yeah, these are no special made windows. Smell like piss in there? Oh.
I'm scared to go upstairs though. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared. You gonna go first? No, then you gonna leave me down here. I don't know what to do.
Behind me.
No, I don't know what to do.
I don't know why it just, I guess there's no windows up there, so, but it sounds super loud. I thought it was a hole in the roof.
No, ain't no windows up
But
there.
you gotta think about it. Oh, the windows open.
All the windows are open. I'm telling
Yeah,
y'all.
that's gonna be why it's extremely loud.
Ooh. There goes some doo-doo.
Where?
Right there.
Easy. This is easy.
Yeah.
This is easy. Easy access.
I'm happy y'all so about it. Cause I'm scared. All it really is cleaning out for real. And these windows, of course.
Somebody likes to drink
Oh, wildness.
juice. Better than a bunch of liquor bottles with milk needles.
It's easy. This wood is actually good.
Right, you already know. Sand it.
This is getting refurnished.
Oh Lord,
What?
you got some cubby holes.
Some
Oh, I
booze.
thought something was dead.
Oh no, I ain't going to no crawl spaces.
Oh, it's a,
I think that's to put the insulation in. Yeah. You put the insulation in there on that side. Easy flip. You just saw this.
why is it, oh, now what is this?
I don't know.
What?
Why does it look like,
It's a handboard. Somebody busted open. That's
that's
what
a
you was
vent.
looking at.
Okay, I know there's too much light down there. This is nice.
This window, that window stuff might not be there. This is what
The one is stolen to do. Or maybe they had to go in there and do the roof. Oh.
You just stole this. She just stole this house.
If I stole it, tell them to give me my money back. All right.
Okay, so they could go in right there. Why did they bust it out? Sweet. Oh, I like that. The built-in.
Yeah, I actually do like that too.
I guess if somebody live on that side.
Oh, but they've been here.
Huh?
Looking under that window.
Who?
The raccoons, it's their feet. Their feet.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, babe. That's why we got to get out. Shit, they might still be in here. Talking about they've been in here. They might still be in here.
They like, you in my house.
Right.
Raccoon like, welcome to
And you just so okay. My mama just so ready. She wanna just fly, pull stuff open. Shit. The bathroom. It's already
I don't
like
understand what would
gutted.
be the point of them making this big old
Because they was getting to the stink pipe, I think. Or if not the stink pipe, let me see.
the stink pipe?
Because where is the stink pipe? Let me see.
Is that the shit pipe? Oh.
Let me see. Because that could be a problem.
Like why? I was just wondering why it was in
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Where is the stink pipe?
it's probably ain't it in the floor?
Husband, aka
No.
plumber, aka electrician,
No, that's
aka.
supposed to go. That's supposed to go all the way through the house.
A shit pipe?
Yeah, because you got to air out to the top.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So it's missing?
I just thought it go
If it is, oh well.
Yeah, I'm just asking. Is it
Yeah,
missing?
no, yeah, I think so. No, they're
it
saying
can't be
shoot.
$5,000.
No,
Right, right.
It's gonna be. It's steel. We can do that ourselves.
$6,000.
Actually, we can use PVC. Oh yeah, actually yeah, because I replaced PVC.
Oh, that's so. It all in this kitchen is good to go.
Well, now you can leave the front locked up. Is that like you can't get in this closet?
What's wrong?
Right here?
All right, I ain't gonna lie. I wanna go outside.
You got a screwdriver.
Girl, they done left me by myself. Oh Lord,
Are we going to take them off again? Just
I don't even want to go that way.
And then you're gonna replace and do everything anyway. But guess what? This floor just look like it need a good ass cleaning. This floor looks new. No, this floor is broken. This floor looks good as hell. This floor kind of new.
they just gave you $1 million kitchen, huh?
It's chipped over here. But you know, you can put something over that border
You all right?
Where is that shit?
right here.
Oh, we're gonna take these up.
Just a little bit.
Take these up and go back to the subfloor probably. Melo wants to. It's up to her.
Yeah, I think I would like a different flooring because me and him literally done that so many times. We wouldn't take this.
What is this? Is this? Oh no, yeah, this is. I don't want to say that.
And this ain't a lot of flooring either. I mean, it could be kept. It just depends.
We can keep it and go over it.
It's don't. I mean, once you wash it up and clean it and look at it, of course, but it's not one missing, chipped, cracked. So clearly, it's laid good on a good foundation. And I'm just saying, for it not to be, you know how when you ain't got it set right and you've been walking on it'll crack in different spots and stuff. It's no grow or anything. That's I wonder was these firecrackers from this year. That was just July, so good. The basement, it's so good. It's not a bunch of junk.
Yeah, I thought the whole house was filled like to the ceiling. I really did. That's kind of the
Yeah,
impression that I got from
Somebody probably was here trying to fix this up and threw everything out already. And they threw it outside.
Oh.
like the old stuff in the backyard.
Yeah, maybe the owner before he lost it might have, tried the other person. Actually, minus the toilet.
This is less work than our house.
I actually like the way these tiles is in the basement. I don't know if it's missing right there or just dirty, like right there where you don't see no color.
Yeah, right there was black. I think it's missing.
Was blank, but still, I mean, how it goes with the stairs back to with this right here. Yeah, this
All this is right
The
now.
super
Same. All this stress.
Oh, somebody do live next door.
Yeah, yep, it's a man. He introduced himself before.
Yeah, they probably that's what happened. Somebody threw everything out in the yard, but there's still not a lot of stuff. Then you can't even get to the back of the house. What about let's walk around the other side? You think you can get around the other
There's a
side?
lot of stuff over there too. We can go over there.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff on both sides. Yeah.
Oh, that's so bad. That's some good shit. I didn't notice in the basement if it was windows behind these boards. This one is healthy.
Yeah, I know. I tried to look. More trash.
Well, they got them warming up trees down there.
Yeah, which
Even though that one wasn't, it's some windows over here.
I think it's only the top though, right? The garage is so cute. Yeah. But this backyard is a mess.
No, actually, that's furniture somebody threw back there. The porch is over here. Main Street. Right off
All
the
right,
main.
so we just have discovered that there is a car
Man, that's a nice garage.
We got a
in the garage.
Also, you pull up off of
We got a
mine.
light. The car though.
Both our phones are dead.
Dang, mine too.
Oh, we out here raggedy.
But once you get that out, the roof